In this video, we are graphing inequalities as a system because there's more than one inequality to put on this. So this is going to have two inequalities, two lines, and so is this one. But again, they use different strategies to graph. Since this is y is less than or equal to 3, I'm going to go to 3 on the y-axis. Then I'm going to make a line across it. It's going to be solid because it can equal 3. I want to shade all the y's that are less than 3. So I'm going to shade below, but I'm not going to shade right away because I have this other one to graph as well. So I'm just going to draw little arrows so I remember that I will shade below at some point. So that was this one. Now I want to do x is greater than 1, so I go to 1 on the x-axis, put a dot there. This one's going to be a dash line because it cannot equal 1. And I want to shade the x's greater than 1, such as like 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I want to shade this way. And ultimately, I want to shade where everything is pointing. So this is the region right here that I want to shade because I'm pointing down and to the right. So everything in there is true. For this one, I'm going to use my different strategies. X, Y are on the same side, so I'm going to find those two intercepts. And then test 0, 0 after that. So if I put 0 in for x, that's gone. There's a secret 1 right here. So if the 0's in there for x, that's gone. 6 divided by positive 1 is 6. That's going to be the y-intercept up there. If I put 0 in for y, that's gone. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. If I didn't know that, I would do 6 divided by negative 3, and it would tell me that same, or 6 divided by negative 2, and it would tell me the number is negative 3. Just 6 divided by that number. So that's going to be back here. This is going to be a dash line because I cannot equal. We don't know what side to shade, so we test 0, 0. So test 0, 0. Zeros make this whole side 0. 0 is less than 6 is true. So this point is a true point, so I will shade that way towards 0, 0 at some point. The next one, this one's set up to do slope-intercept. The slope is 2, but I need that's the rise, so I need a run of 1. So I'm going to go to negative 4 on the y-axis. That's my y-intercept for this. From this dot, I go up 2, right 1. Up 2, right 1. You can keep doing that. Go backwards, down 2, left 1. This is also dashed. And I want to shade the y's that are greater than the line. So here the y's equal the line, y's greater than the line are above. So I will shade above. And so all the points that are true for both are in here. So any point in here is true. Points on the line, dashed lines are false because they're both dashed, and all points out here are also false.